What is up, Bree gang?
Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty goes for all y'all. Beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success.
I am back here with another freaking lit video. If you already haven't, spam the comments below, spam it, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Now, everybody in my house is asleep right now. It's only my sister, brother in there. Oh my god, y'all, it's raining. It's only my sister, brother in there, and I literally just woke up from a nap myself, and I just thought, let me bang on the door. Usually when people bang on our door, we think, okay, it's a policeman or somebody trying to rob us. But of course, they wouldn't. If somebody trying to rob us, they wouldn't bang on the door. Duh. So yeah, I'ma just go in there, I'ma set up the camera, and I'ma just be like, dang. I'ma just bang on the door like I'm somebody crazy. I hope I get the best reaction out of them, y'all. I hope I get the best freaking reaction out of this. And I love y'all, and let's get it. It's a prank. Oh my god, y'all. The prank was a freaking success. Let me get over here right now. The prank was a success. I hope I got the best reaction out of this. If y'all like this video, hit the thumbs up. And we lit. I'll see y'all in my next video. Let's go.